Make a great choice today with the 2024 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.